I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the surfaces. Clean the phone back and the wallet with a lint-free cloth so adhesion and magnetic contact are optimal. Once done, remove any thick or metal-reinforced case that could block magnets. Now position the Magsafe wallet roughly center over the phone's circular magnet array. You'll feel a light pull as it snaps into place. Make sure the wallet edges sit flush. Slight misalignment reduces grip and can make the wallet detach during daily use. You should let the magnets do the work. Place the wallet gently until you hear or feel the click. Avoid forcing it across the surface. Once attached, test the fit by giving light tugs at the top and bottom to confirm the wallet resists sliding. This verifies correct magnetic coupling. Next, test a wireless charger or Magsafe charger with the wallet attached. If charging stalls or the phone heats, realign or remove any interfering cards, because metal or out-of-place items block proper Ki alignment. To finish, load the wallet with a minimal number of cards and keep metal objects out. Heavy or shuffled stacks reduce magnetic hold. Use the wallet by grasping the phone and pulling the wallet straight away. Twisting can pry it off. If it detaches frequently, clean both surfaces, reseat the wallet, and test again. If problems persist, inspect for warped magnets or a damaged case and replace the weakest component. One troubleshooting tip: a quick surface clean often restores proper magnetic grip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.